Hey YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. Hey man, we are right now downtown, man. Just creating some footage for y'all. About to show y'all some stuff right now, man. This ain't gonna be a long video, but it's gonna be a video, man. So look at here right quick. Got the 300 out, man. And you see, look what I got installed, man. LED lights installed. Yes, sir. I didn't want the double, I wanted the single. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Looking clean. Exactly how I want it. Got the lights popping off. You know, I love the road with the fogs, with the LEDs popping. Man, happy I got this car back, man. Car gone for 2 months, man. Shoot, now I'm happy, man. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Yes, sir. Breathing. Peep this out though. Peep this out, peep this out. Look at the doors. 300C shit. The real 300C logo. Hold on, let me hold on real quick. Man. Got this logo back here. I should have ordered the two before in the front, man. But had to get these for now, man. Other ones out of stock, man. So it is what it is though, but it's looking good, man, looking good. I said I wasn't gonna do the back door, but once I did the front door, it's almost like you gotta do a back door. Engine check real quick. Yeah, man. Engine check real quick. It's like 50 degrees out right now too, so this engine right now feeling so good. Yeah, you see my shit, man? See my shit, man? My strut bar coming, man. My strut bar coming. Let me get one. I ain't ordered it yet, but I'm gonna get one. Yeah, man, I just want to just bring out the 300, man. Show y'all the LED lights, man. Show y'all the puddle lights, man. You know what I mean? Shit. Hold on, I'm gonna hear the gas real quick. One more time. One more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Gonna give y'all some driving footage when it's driving, man. Then after that, I'm gonna cut the video. Big C shit. Yeah, man, I'm just bringing the 300C out, man. Get us some outside footage, man. My screen look a little dirty right quick. Hold on. Giving y'all some outside footage, man. You know what I mean? Just trying to enjoy the 300C in downtown Toledo, Ohio, man. So, yeah, man, I'm just extremely happy I got my shit back. Just enjoying it right now. It's just like still within the first week I got my stuff back, man. So cool, man. If y'all watching this video, I got 2 videos before that I did upload, and it's probably been like 2 weeks that I haven't uploaded a video. So today is what's today? Hold on, April 26th. So yeah, it's 2 videos right now that should be uploaded, which I did upload it, and I'm probably like 15 days behind on uploading my last video from today's date. So yeah, man, it's all good. Look at 300C coming back down the street. Big C shit. Yeah, big C shit. Hope I got the good camera view for y'all. This motherfucker look good. Looking kind of grainy now. Yeah. Just out and about enjoying life, man. You know what I mean? So man, y'all, hey, if y'all like the content, y'all like, share, subscribe, man. Hey man, my 300C is not to be like SRT. It's a 300C 2020. You know what I'm saying? And it is what it is. And I'm gonna keep it like that, man. So We ain't gonna put no SRT shit on to the motherfucker. We ain't gonna do none of that shit. Keep it just like what it is, man. Just like what it is. Yeah. Big C shit. Big C shit. Hey, I call it Big C because, man, that's the only 300C that's got a 6.4. That's why I call it Big C, man. I don't call it Big C because there's no Hellcat, no bullshit like that. I call it Big C for just for niggas to know, like, nigga, it's the motherfucker. This motherfucker we trying to stop us. It's the motherfucker big one, not the little one, nigga. That's really the only why I call it Big C, man. So, man, like I said, Young Rich 419, man. We're gonna have her pull back around right quick. I'm gonna end this video. That motherfucker breathing. That motherfucker breathing. That motherfucker breathing. Big C shit, man. Big C. Big C shit, man. Rich 419, man. Like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna tell y'all, man, like, when the car was gone for like 2 months, let me tell you this crazy feeling I was having. I used to go outside and I'd be in my driveway doing shit and I'd be like, man, something missing, like, something missing. Yeah, another fucking car, nigga. What the fuck, nigga, shit. Used to seeing 3 cars in the driveway, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, crazy shit, you know what I mean? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Just like something just felt off. But yeah, man, but once again, man, Young Rich 419, probably give y'all some B-roll footage or some dumb shit. Anyway, Young Rich, man. Peace.